We've got another native Oklahoma proven plant we want to introduce you to, and this one is called Rudbeckia maxima, and I think you can see how it got its common name, giant coneflower, as it gets to be a height of about 5 to 6 feet tall with these gorgeous yellow and of course black heads on them. This native is more often seen on the eastern side of the state, but can be well established in any garden in Oklahoma as it's hardy from zones 4 to 8. Now it'll start out with some lower basal growth, but through this spring and into early summer, it's going to shoot up with these giant flowers as it blooms in early summertime. You can deadhead these flowers back to get a second flush that will come on. When it's not blooming, it has a lovely blue-green foliage that it adds to the garden, as well as the vertical element that it establishes in your landscape design. For best effect, you're going to want to plant this perennial in a mass.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.